Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.
Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, this is your second video just after your exams, and I was explaining you the chapter decimals, and in the previous video we have studied about conversions and how do we convert kilograms into grams, kilometers into meters, meters into kilometers, grams into kilograms, paisa into rupees, rupees into paise. So only one question was remaining, that is question number 36. I am going to solve that particular question for you. So kindly pay attention. Yes. So it is using decimals express rupees 18 and 25 paise in rupees. Rupees 18 and 25 paise in rupees. In rupees, you have to focus on the second term. We have to convert into rupees. Rupees is greater than paisa. That means we are going from a smaller unit to a bigger unit. That means what we have to do in this condition. If you know the answer, you can comment down in the comment section. Kindly pause the video and comment down in the comment section. We are going from a smaller unit to a bigger unit. That means we have to divide, and we all know that 1 rupee is equals to how many paise? 100 paise. In the same way, 1 paise is equals to 1 upon 100 rupee. This is the process. Paisa into rupee means division. Rupee into paisa means multiplication. Big to small is multiplication. Small to big is division. So we will follow the same in this question also. So this is rupees 18. 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa. 18 rupees is equals to how many paisa? It will be 1000. 18 multiplied by 100, that is 1800 paisa. Now we have to do what? This is in paisa and this amount is also in paisa. So kindly add both the amounts. It will be 1800 plus 25 paise, right? So now it will be 1825 paise. So in order to convert this into rupees, we have to divide it by which number? We have to divide it by 100. Since 100 is having how many zeros in the denominator? 2 zeros. So we have to place the decimal point before 2 digits. Okay. So it will be 18.25. Rupees 18.25. Now in the same way I am going to solve the next option, that is option number 2. So the next question is rupees 9 and 8 paise. Rupees 9 and 8 paise, right? So 9 rupees means 900 paise. So 900 plus 8, it will be 908 paise. Now we have to convert it into rupees. So paisa to rupees, small to big. That means we have to perform the division. Divided by 100, 2 zeros in the denominator. Place the decimal point before 2 digits, 1, 2. From the extreme right, it will be rupees 9.08. Now, I am going to solve the third option for you. So, the third option is 32 paisa. It is already in paisa. There is no need to convert it into paisa. 32 paise into rupees. So, we have to divide it by 100. 1, 2, that means we have to place the decimal point before 2 digits. So it will be 0.32 because we have to count from the extreme right. So 1, 2, that means the decimal point will come before 3. In the same way, 5 paisa in rupees is also given to you. How will you do this question? If you know the answer, you can comment down in the comment section of this part, that is option number 4. So 1, 2, so it will be 0.05. Why it is 0.5? Because there are 2 zeros in the denominator. We have to cover how many places? 2 places from the extreme right. 1, 2. So the final answer will be rupees 0.05. Right? And I hope you must have understood up to this. Now I am going to explain you the next topic, that is operations on decimals. And for the next topic, addition of decimal and subtraction of decimal, I am sending you one more video, and that video is from class 5 only, but the concept is same. In that video I have explained you how to add the decimals and how to subtract the decimals. So you have to watch that video so that it will be easier for you to understand how to add the decimals. I am not explaining you that particular topic. You have to watch that video just for clearing the concept. And after that I will be explaining you the questions from the next exercise, that is exercise 7C. And yes, you have to mention second term before the chapter decimals. Either you can fold the page or you can place a strip over there that your second term has been started. And if there is any problem, any difficulty, you can comment down in the comment section. I am definitely going to answer to your queries. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy, stay safe, stay healthy.